Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ASUS ROG NUC 760 Mini PC, a compact system that proves big performance can come in a small package. Right out of the box, the design stands out. It's sleek, modern, and features customizable RGB lighting that adds a subtle gaming vibe without overwhelming your desk. Thanks to its compact footprint and included stand, it fits almost anywhere while still looking premium. Under the hood, it's powered by a 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra processor paired with an RTX 4060 GPU. That combination delivers impressive gaming performance, handling modern titles with smooth frame rates and strong visual detail. Ray tracing and DLSS support help push performance even further, especially at higher settings. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, everything feels responsive. Boot times are quick, apps launch instantly, and multitasking stays smooth whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content. Overall, the ASUS ROG NUC 760 delivers serious gaming power in a space-saving design, making it perfect for anyone who wants performance without a full-size tower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.